Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that you won't want to miss. On the left, we've got the high-flying, feature-packed Bwine F7GPS Drone, and on the right, the budget-friendly but surprisingly capable FOCJANK Brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The Bwine F7 GPS drone comes with a fancy 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal. That's like having a professional photographer in the sky. It even has a 90 degrees adjustable lens and 120 degrees field of view. Basically, it's the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife for photographers. Meanwhile, the FOCJANK drone is rocking a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. Not bad for a drone that costs less than a fancy dinner date. Sure, it's not 4K, but hey, it gets the job done. Think of it as the intern who's surprisingly good at their job. So if you're all about those crispy high-res shots, the Bwine is your guy. But if you're on a budget and still want decent footage, FOCJANK won't let you down. Next up, flight time. The Bwine F7 GPS drone boasts a whopping 50 minutes of flight time thanks to its 2 intelligent batteries. That's enough time to film your entire backyard barbecue and still catch the sunset. On the other hand, our buddy FOCJANK here didn't provide specific flight time details, but let's be real, it's $119. You might get a solid 20 minutes if you're lucky, so maybe plan your adventures accordingly. In this round, Bwine takes the crown. 50 minutes is like the marathon of drone flights. Let's talk wind resistance. The Bwine F7 GPS drone can handle level 6 wind resistance. That's practically a mini hurricane. You can film in windy conditions without worrying about your drone getting swept away to Oz. FOCJANK, on the other hand, gives you level 4 wind resistance. It's not bad. It'll handle a breezy day, but don't expect it to survive a windstorm. Think of it as your fair weather friend. So if you live in a wind tunnel, Bwine is your best bet. Otherwise, FOCJANK will do just fine for calmer skies. Now, let's discuss range. The Bwine F7 GPS drone offers an impressive 10,000 feet of transmission range. That's nearly 2 miles. You could practically fly to your neighbor's house and borrow some sugar. FOCJANK, with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, gives you a stable but unspecified range. Let's just say it's not going to be winning any long-distance awards, but it'll get the job done for most backyard adventures. In the range department, Bwine is the clear winner. It's got the long-distance relationship game on lock. Finally, let's talk money. The Bwine F7 GPS drone will set you back $501. It's like the luxury car of drones, fancy, feature-rich, and totally worth it if you've got the cash. FOCJANK, on the other hand, is a steal at $119. It's like the budget-friendly commuter car. Gets you from point A to point B without breaking the bank. So if you're ballin' on a budget, FOCJANK is your new best friend. But if you want all the bells and whistles, Bwine is the way to go. Based on Amazon reviews, the Bwine F7 GPS drone is praised for its ease of setup, responsive controls, and good video quality. The customer support is also highly appreciated. However, some users mentioned limitations with battery life and distance. On the other hand, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone has mixed reviews. Some customers are impressed by its performance, especially given its price, and commend the customer service. However, there are concerns about its reliability, with reports of the drone flying away and connection issues. It's a good beginner drone but may have some inconsistencies. And there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking for a luxury drone experience with Bwine or a budget-friendly adventure with Fokjank, we hope this comparison helps you make the smart choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.